Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about NorthOne's minimum balance requirements. Many business owners are concerned about minimum balance requirements when choosing a bank account. It can be a hassle to keep a certain amount of money in your account at all times just to avoid fees. NorthOne, a business banking service, does not have a minimum balance requirement. This means you can keep your account open and active without needing to maintain a specific balance. They also state that there are no hidden fees or overdraft charges. This is a significant benefit for small businesses and entrepreneurs who need flexibility with their cash flow. While there is no minimum balance, NorthOne does have a low opening deposit requirement. They also have a monthly fee, but this can be waived depending on the plan you choose. It's always a good idea to check their current pricing and plans to see what works best for your business. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.